abandon, to intentionally give up a right or property without any plan of reclaiming it in the future, to desert a spouse or child. Abate, to decrease, reduce, or diminish, to end, dismiss, or temporarily suspend a lawsuit. Abatement of a legacy, a reduction in the amount of a legacy after the payment of debts owed by the person who granted the legacy. Abatement of taxes, a reduction in the amount owed by the taxee. Abdicate, to renounce a responsibility or position, generally used to describe the act of a sovereign giving up a throne, or an official renouncing the privileges and duties of his or her office, also used to describe a government or official failing to fulfill responsibilities or duties. Abduct, 1. To take or carry away a person illegally by force or persuasion. 2. To take away or detain unlawfully a female, intending to force her into marriage, concubinage, or prostitution. 3. For a woman to entice a husband to abandon his wife for her. Abater, a person who abets or instigates a crime. An abater shares criminal intent with the person who in fact commits the crime. Abeyance, a state of temporary disuse or suspension, an unsettled state, the condition of an estate in fee or freehold during a lapse in succession with no current titleholder or owner. Ab initio, from the beginning, used to describe contracts, marriages, deeds, etc., that are either valid or void from their inception. Abolish, to end or do away with, generally used to describe formally ending an institution, system, or custom, such as slavery or a tax. Abortion, the premature ending of a pregnancy in legal context, generally refers to a deliberate termination, though the term can also apply to spontaneous natural expulsion of a fetus before it becomes viable. Abortionist, someone who performs abortions. Abscond, to depart quickly and secretly in order to avoid arrest or lawsuit, particularly after committing some crime such as theft, to leave the jurisdiction of local courts or to hide from them. Abstain, to refrain from doing something, such as voting. Abstention doctrine, a policy that allows federal courts to relinquish jurisdiction over a matter and allow a state court to decide a federal constitutional question or a matter of state law.